Hello, this is Robert. I'm a tax attorney, and I'm going to tell you 5 tips for success when you're filing a California FTB Offer In Compromise. Number 1, make sure all required tax returns are filed. Don't rely on what you needed to file for the IRS. Sometimes the IRS will do a tax return for you, but California will still require you to file the original in order to do your own Offer In Compromise. If you're not sure, contact California directly and find out what you need to file. Number 2, submit all required documentation. If you fail to submit the required documentation, all you're going to do is lag your Offer In Compromise or get it returned. Number 3, fill out the forms as accurately as possible. And if you're unsure on any section, you can check out our FTB Offer In Compromise guide, which is linked below, and that will help you understand it better. Number 4, recognize that age is a factor in California FTB Offer In Compromise. It's really common for someone to qualify for an IRS offer, think that they're going to get an FTB offer, submit it, and then get it rejected because the FTB thinks they got more time to collect on you. They got a longer collection statute, which means the amount of time they have to collect on the debt is much longer. So if you're older, that actually works to your advantage. But if you're really young, you don't got any medical problems, and you don't really got that big of a balance, there's a good chance you're not going to get an FTB Offer In Compromise accepted. Number 5, if the agent says they are not going to accept your offer, ask them what will they accept. And here's an example where this made a big difference. We had a case where the agent just said, we're not going to accept the $100 you're offering. And some people would just say, okay, we're done, and there's nothing to do after that. But I asked, and some people would probably come to the same conclusion. You ask, what is the amount that you will accept? And by asking that, the agent said, well, I just want something more significant. And I said, well, how about $200? And they said, it went up like a little bit, and the total amount was less than $250 to settle the entire tax debt. So don't just give up when they say no. Ask how much more. And you'd be surprised that sometimes it's really not that much more at all. If you don't want to do it yourself and you want our expert tax attorneys to do your case for you, give us a call at 888-515-4TAX. That's 888-515-4829. Or you can go to trp.tax/start. And we'll also have that link below. If you're doing your case on your own, you might want to check out our free tax help guide at trp.tax/taxhelp. And that'll also be linked below. Thanks for watching and have a great week.